Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. Because everything you thought you knew about action cameras is about to become ancient history. For months, the silence has been deafening. But behind closed doors, a revolution has been brewing. A new king is about to take the throne, and it's going to crush the competition. Forget the rest. We are talking about the DJI Osmo Action 6. The leaks have begun. The whispers are turning into roars. And what we've uncovered will fundamentally change how you capture your world. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total re-engineering. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're going deep on the rumored 4K at 240 frames per second, the game-changing magnetic ecosystem, and the sensor size that could finally make your dedicated mirrorless camera jealous. If you're thinking about buying an action cam right now, don't. Wait 30 minutes. By the time this video is over, your shopping cart will be empty, and your anticipation will be through the roof. This is the ultimate uncensored deep dive into the most anticipated camera of the decade. Let's go. Let's get straight to the biggest, juiciest rumor that has the entire industry scrambling: the sensor. Action 5 was great, but it played it safe. Action 6, according to internal documents we've seen, is going massive. We're talking about an alleged 1-inch type CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that right. A 1-inch sensor in an action camera. This isn't a minor tweak, this is a paradigm shift. Think about what that means for low-light performance. No more muddy, noisy shadows when the sun dips behind the mountain. We're talking buttery smooth, cinematic footage at sunset. The dynamic range will be unprecedented. You'll finally be able to see detail in the bright sky and the dark forest floor simultaneously. This is the feature that justifies the price tag alone. But wait, the rabbit hole goes deeper. The Action 6 is rumored to boast an all-new D-Log M Pro color profile. This is the kind of professional-grade color science that was previously exclusive to DJI's high-end drones. For creators, this means maximum flexibility in the edit. You can pull more detail, match your drone footage perfectly, and create stunning, color-graded masterpieces. If this leak holds true, the Osmo Action 6 won't just compete with GoPro, it will enter an entirely new category, challenging even dedicated compact cameras. Are you ready for that kind of power in your pocket? Now, let's talk speed and clarity. This is where DJI traditionally pushes boundaries, and the Action 6 leaks suggest they're throwing down the gauntlet. The magic number is 240. We're not talking about 120 frames per second slow motion. We're talking about alleged 4K at 240 frames per second. Take a moment to process that. Crystal clear 4K resolution, slowed down to a spectacular 10x speed. Imagine dropping off a waterfall, carving through a powder-covered slope, or landing a monstrous skateboard trick. Now imagine reviewing that moment with jaw-dropping clarity, seeing every water droplet, every snow crystal, every muscle movement. This isn't just about smooth, slow MO. It's about a level of detail that turns casual clips into epic, cinematic sequences. And for the purists, the leaks also point to 6K at 60 frames per second. This gives you massive headroom for cropping, stabilizing, and extracting perfect